Alright, so right now I'm going to show you how I configure this function button on 24 to 70 f4 over my Z5 to a certain function, and it's really helpful. Let me show you quickly how I configure this button. First off, you have to go to the uh, custom setting menu, then you go to controls. From the controls you have to go to custom control. From the custom control you scroll down to this elephant, not elephant tone, not the second, the first one. Okay, so you went to the first one, configure, and there are several options that you can choose with. So I choose let's go down the menu, and I choose zoom on and off, and the zoom on and off I choose 100%. So that's it. Now what's going to happen, the moment I'm going to press this button, wherever my focus point is, I'm gonna quickly see 100% of it, is it in focus or not. So let's jump in. Right now I am at 120 millimeter. Alright, focusing this, and as you can see, right now I'm over here. So my focus point is over here. Now look what happened the moment I'm going to press this function button. Look at the back. I'm pressing, this is what I press, and look what happened. It exactly goes to the 100% of this view. I'm going to switch back, and it came back to full view. So now imagine you are moving to this part of the frame, or let's say okay, move to this part of the frame. Now I'm going to press this again, and I move to this point. This is not focused, so I'm going to press this. It's in focus. I'm going to press this again. It came back, and I'm going to move my focus point to this corner, and I'm going to press this, and it focus. So I'm pressing it again, it focus. I'm pressing it back, it goes to full view. So I found this thing very helpful. So imagine you are shooting landscape or any street photography where you want particularly to hit focus, which is critical. So you configure your focus point, you move your focus point to anywhere into the frame. Alright, and you press this button, which you just configure, to look into the focus it back, and you're good to go. So that's a quick tip. I just want to show you how to configure this function button on the lens for your advantage. Thank you.